listen and listen to me right now. If you're a gold trader, this will definitely help you and skyrocket your trading journey entirely. Only for gold traders only. I'll be showing you and revealing to you the top secret strategy that all gold traders who are making profits, top traders who are calling into the market are using to make it to execute. I'll be showing this to you practically. This is an expose. This is a secret that have been exposed. So follow me and watch this video to the end right now. Don't miss it. Click the link below right now. Join me on the inside. Thank you. Welcome back. Okay, so as I said earlier, I will be showing you why the top strategies for gold, and those who are using gold, who are trading gold, profitable traders are trading gold, how they are making it, how they are making cash and cool crazy money from gold, and also who gold is for, who gold trading is for, either for beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Why you should trade gold, why you should never trade gold, what are the things you should do around gold as a pair on its own. So everything you need to know about gold, I'll be revealing to you today. So you should listen to me. If you're a gold trader, listen to me right now. If you're a gold trader, listen to me. This will help you a lot. So let's go into it, guys. Now, firstly is that, let me tell you a story before then. While I was starting out as a forex trader, I used to love gold. I don't know why. It's rarely around all beginners. Do you also notice that? If you're starting out, you see that I love gold. I love you know, we say, which period you trade? I'm a gold trader. I'm a gold trader. Everybody always seems to be gold trader. Gold trader. You always bring in 10, hundreds beginners. You see 80, 90, I'm a gold trader. Why? Because of what? One, we love the quick money. Secondly, we love the sharp this thing that it gives us. Don't leave the volatility. Once you enter this, once it turn blue, you don't take your profit, you are gone already. You know, it gives a lot of other things. There are the things that it's you see to invite. It is to entice beginners. But in the reason of it, gold is dangerous. Am I talking? In the reason of it, gold is what is dangerous. It's very dangerous for beginners to trade. I will tell you why and why you should never do that. But I never understood all those things until later on. I realized that I was making more profit from other pair than gold. I will flip account with gold. I will make profit with gold. I will end up blowing with gold. I blew more with gold. I had the losses more on gold than other pairs. Then I was not looking why. Then I let go for a while, moved to other pair. I see that I was doing a bit well. I'm much better. Then why am I trading gold? Am I talking to somebody? So that's exactly what I will explain to you. Everything you need to know about gold today. One, firstly, gold is more or less like a nice mate to, more or less like an attractive pair to all beginners. But one thing you should know, that you should always avoid it if you're a beginner. Please avoid gold until you know this thing. Avoid gold entirely until you know these three things. Never trade gold until you know these three things. Am I talking? 1, 2, 3. I will be listening out. Like 1 to 3 or 4. I'll be listening out for you now. Now, firstly, you should know that gold is a volatile and very momentum trade, very momentum pair. Now, 0.1 of gold equals 0.5 of another pair. 0.2 of gold equals 0.10 of another pair, depending on the strength of those pairs. Am I talking? And if it's a cross pair, all those exotic, the volatility is very low. 0.1 of gold could be 0.10. It means that we have just opened 0.10 on a cross or exotic pairs. Can you see the difference? Well, that's for that too. So gold is what is a very volatile. People don't understand that 0.1 of gold is 0.10, 0.5, 0.4 of some other pairs. Unlike GBPUSD, 0.1 of gold is like 0.3 to 4 on GBPUSD, because that one too is also a strong pair. There are many pairs, strong pairs. So aside from GBPUSD or EURUSD, some other exotic pairs like NZDJPY, 0.1 of gold could be 0.10 of those pairs. That one you should know that firstly, that gold is very volatile, and it's 0.1 of it or 0.2 of it or higher position lot size on another pair. That's what you should know. Firstly, good. Secondly is this: why you should never trade gold as a beginner. Secondly is this. Secondly, now gold is very volatile to the extent that it can send you back to the village. I'm telling you, gold will put you in a state of regret. God will put you in a state of giving up. God will put you in a state of I want to quit forest. God will put you in a state of I'm tired right now. Maybe I'll come back later on. God will put you in a state of I want to focus on my 10 career. God will put you in a state of I want to focus on my 9 to 5. Just put you in a many states until you avoid it as a beginner. And why you should avoid it are these lines that I'll be giving to you. Then when you become an intermediate or advanced trader, you can now come back to it and use it to make the money you really wanted and to give you just money. Then you have matured. Just like a 2 to 1 years old boy giving meat to eat. He doesn't have teeth yet. You're giving him meat. How do you want to chew it? Allow the boy to drink his milk. Lovely. And fine. And he'll be fine. But you're trying to give him milk, meat, turkey, chicken. I don't know. Which thing do you expect the boy? The little 6 months boy to chew with. It's not possible. Same thing happens as gold. Am I talking someone? So that's the first thing. Secondly, gold, if you want to trade gold as a beginner, you must understand one thing. You must understand that gold requires super sniper entering. Am I talking to somebody? If you are not a sniper entering of gold, I mean you have not mastered, you don't even have an entry strategies yet, and you want to trade gold, you will lose a lot. I'm telling to you. Yes, this is what I've experienced, and I don't want you guys to keep facing this again, as I'm telling you, as I'm doing this video, because I've experienced this a lot. I was starting out, I lose a lot. More of my losses come much more from gold. I used to have like 60-70% on gold. Why other pairs? Why am I killing myself on gold? I just used to like, because of what? Once I enter like this, I keep because of the scalping mode. Yeah, you like that? I'm not really a scalping mode. Why am I this old market? Old market and let it flows. Look at the setup, wait for setup and let it flows. Those are the things that will build your emotional intelligence, that will build your psychology. Not all those, stop it, you're out. You're even scared, guys. No. You know, when you understand the market fully, you know market structures, you know price action and everything, you'll be more confident in your strategies, in your setup that is coming here, it's coming back to do a retest here, so the retest will move here. Oh, it has not done the retest. Oh, I think this market has changed. I'm not seeing a candle confirmation now. It has reversed already. Let me take my profit. Let me uptop now. You know, those are things will give you a more clearer and more confidence in the market. Now, gold is what you must, if you want to trade gold, you must have what is called a sniper entering. A small move on gold, one piece of gold is like 10 moves, 10 pips on other pair. 2 pieces of gold is like 20 pips on another pair. One piece of time could be 5 pips on another pair. Imagine. So some of you don't even know. I'll talk about that later. Don't worry. So you must have what? A sniper entry. You must at least have an idea about how to enter at the right time. Have an idea about how to enter at the right time. Have a good sniper entering. Have a entry strategy, because something. I keep saying this on my videos, that if you need what we call signal, or what we call entering confirmation signal, we have about 18 to 20 of them that shows patterns about your entering, how you can enter the market with patterns. Market print all those patterns on all pairs. No pair I have never seen since I've been trading the market. Couple of years, I have never seen any pair that doesn't print that pair, and we have given those templates to our students. You can chat me up or drop a message now. Let me know if you need it. Drop a message and create and ask for it. Just type entering signal confirmation, entry confirmation signal template. We will send it to your email. Drop it on the comment section now, so we can send you those templates, about 18 to 20. Just begin to look out for it. Once you see the entry, the pattern that it gives to you, you know this is an entry pattern. You enter the market and make your money. But if you do not know this, if you don't have an entry confirmation signal yet, you will keep losing money on gold. You keep blowing and blowing money on gold. You will keep blowing and blowing money. These are the things I have experienced. I went through the trauma, the everything before I understood this. And I don't want you to go the same through. That's why I'm telling you this, guys. Am I talking to someone? So this is what you should understand. You should always have what we call entering strategy. That's number 1. That's number 2. Number 3 is this. You should have what is called risk management. If you are not a risk management person, then I don't even have risk management. I just want to make money, because I'm too greedy. I was an impulse trader. I was not contented, you know. So I didn't have what you call risk management. So you must have what you call risk management if you want to really profit on gold. So gold will keep striking you, gold keep beating you. You don't have risk management because of what? 1 pip on gold is like one pip moves is 10. It's 10 on gold. That's why it's 10. 1 pip is like 10. It's 10 moves already. 10 momentum. So if you don't have risk management, if you are using for example, if you are using 30 pips, right? You are using 300 pips. you just realize that your small move, everything, you're already in profit. A bit of Jordan, your account is blown off. Why? You understand? You know why your account keep blowing off on gold? Why? But whereas if you see, put those $100, those $200 on normal account, you will last long before it gets blue or anything, or even make profit before it gets blue off. But on gold, you don't last long. Once you make profit, you can see your market will just take you out and just blow you off so suddenly, so quick. You don't understand. So what gold requires proper risk management. Am I talking to someone? Gold requires what? Proper risk management. I will teach you on all those gold pips so you can understand those pips. Some of you know that gold's movement is not in 1, 2, 2, 3 pips like that. The movement is different from other pairs. Very, very volatile. That's why you can see that gold will move in 5 pips alone. It's like gold will move in 5 pips. 50 pips alone is already like 5 pips on that pair. It's already like 10 pips. 50 pips alone, you are already making a lot of money. Before you could wait for that place, you need to do 50 pips. So gold is different. You must have what is called proper risk management on gold before you can start trading gold, before you can be confident and be trading gold and be making money from gold. I always tell beginners that you know gold first as if it never existed, or you never see it as your pair, never enlist it on your watch list. After you have mastered some of things in the market, you get your strategy set up, your strategy is right, your strategy is on point, everything is on point, then come back to gold because gold will now give you the money you needed. Am I talking to someone? Gold will now give you the money you needed, then come out on gold just like someone that wants to come into politics. You don't have money. You will do the bidding of your bankroll person that is bankrolling you. But if you have your money, you have made your money already, you're not coming to use your money to sponsor, then you'll be fine. Do you get? So it's more or less like go and do the right thing first and come back to make money with your gold. Then you let everything and come to make money with gold, because gold is a very good, I must not tell you, I must not debunk this. Gold is a very good pair if once you understand it. Once you understand the pair, the movement, the structure is obeyed, and everything, the entering, everything, you will be fine. It will make you crazy money. We have people that are making money on gold, they are not losing again. These guys are not beginners. They are not 1 year trader, they are not 6 month trader. They are not 2, 3 month traders. They have been there for 5, 4, 36 years. They've mastered gold to some extent that they are used to the entering and everything. I'm not talking to somebody. That's number 3. Number 4 is structure. You must be able to understand those structures that gold obeys, because gold obeys structures a lot. Any structures of the gold, either support and resistance, either demand and supply zone, either area of interest or area of concentration, gold respects structures a lot. So maybe to understand all these structures a lot that gold respects. Might not be in a cycle level, might be in a structure level or in a zone level. Gold respects all those zones. You must understand this as well before you trade gold. And the last but not the least is what exits. I will pay more attention to this one. One of the things that gold, other pairs has above gold is just other pairs will show you exit. Unlike gold can reverse at any time. Am I saying your mind already? Have you entered the market and you're thinking, oh, I've made $200, I've made 1K, 50K, 20K, come on, you should get to this place. When you get here, then you can reverse. And suddenly, gold just reverse. You're thinking you wanted to retest. Keep going. It's down to your entry point. Going below, going. And you're thinking, let me take away my top loss. And it blew you off her account of. Has this ever happened to you before? That is the factor and what gold can do. Those are the danger that gold can do to someone. It never has what you call exit. You have to use your discretion. You have to use your experience. You have to use your mental psychology. You have to use candlestick reading. You have to use candlesticks price action. Everything you have to use to detect your exit on gold. Am I talking to someone? So the things you use to detect exit. Most times gold doesn't have exit. Sometimes it does have exit. When you see that oh this is the last resistance, you should come back here. This is the last support. You should come back here. This is the middle one where we can possibly have a retestment. You should come back here. Sometimes this does. But on a common basis, gold does not have exit. It can reverse at any time and against you and come back to entry and just push you or weak you out and still go back again. And you see, gold is very crazy about that. But there are normal pairs that you know you trade, you will see that I want to trade 1 to 2 and just spam to the next resistance, the next support, and it hit that, then it will test, then you go again. You will be sure. The level at which those other pairs, exotic and normal pairs, as in there exist and entry level, it's higher than gold. I'm telling you from experience, purely practically from experience. Those things are higher than gold. I'm telling you for free, guys. So gold, hardly if you have mastered that, so you can know how to exit. If you know price action very well, you understand market structures, you understand candlestick confirmation, candlestick reading, you can interpret the weightings of the candlesticks. The writings of you can interpret all those writings on candlestick, about candlestick. You understand the language candlestick speaks to you. then you can easily trade gold successfully. Am I talking to someone? So these are the things that gold are familiar. These are the things that gold are used to. These are the things that gold is structured around gold. These are the things that gold is romance with. So these are the things that you have to understand before you begin to dabble into gold. Once you understand those things, then come to gold and make the money. Because gold is crazy. You can use 1,000 to make 50k on gold with a single trade. In just 20 or 30 pips, you can make 50k. Just can buy what you want to buy. 50k dollars. Don't buy it. Just withdraw and buy. If you want to reach $20, you want to reach $20, you can use $20 to make 100k on gold. I'm telling you, gold is possible. Gold is very, very volatile. I must not discard that. It's a very sweet and perfectly spare, but you must understand it first before you dabble into it. Am I talking to someone? So you must understand it before you dabble into it. You understand this first. These are the factors that will help you to be successful. If you are trading gold, you are a gold lover, and you want to be successful in gold, take this to heart and work through it one after the other, so you can master gold in total. Am I talking to someone? Sorry, I hope this was helpful, guys. If you're just joining our channel for the very first time, our video for the very first time, please, I want to urge you, subscribe to this channel. If you get any value from this, subscribe to us and let's teach you much more. This is what we do on this channel. Subscribe to this channel, like and drop a comment if you have any question around gold. Let me know if you're a gold trader. Let me know if you're not a gold trader. Let me know what gold has done for you. I have just shared my experience about what gold has done for me. In my past, gold has done a lot. Let me know what gold has done for you practically, and let me know if you're a gold trader. Personally, I'm not a good trader. I left it after then. But of course, now I come to it anytime now. If I see any good setup and I hit it well, I might talk to someone. So I want to also pass this. If you are not on our Telegram, you are missing a lot, because we drop massive 20s on gold, on other pairs, exotic pairs, normal pairs, all main pairs, and signals every blessed day on our community. So you can feel free to join our community and our family. Click the link in the description below right now and join us, so we can educate you more about this and about the FOREX journey, so you can become something better in this journey. Thank you once again, guys, for joining me today. I want to appreciate every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If you don't, I will take away your stop loss. I'm serious. I'm going to do that. I'm serious. This week, you just see your stop loss being taken away. I will enter your MT5, MT4, and take your stop loss away. I'm not talking somewhere. So that is for that, guys. Thank you so much for joining me once again, and I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our Telegram group. Click the link below now and join us on the inside. Thank you so much, guys, and bless you. Bye for now. Good day.